Snail-borne parasitic diseases are dangerous and a threat to the human life and can cause many socio-economic problems in countries like Brazil, which has tropical and subtropical climates, which helps to spread the disease. That is why it is important to study the areas that are infected. But to do so, it is necessary to take samples, live snails, and that can provoke a health risk to the person who is collecting it. The development of a drone claw that can reach for the snails without a close presence of the scientist is very beneficial, since collecting these live snails can be dangerous to the scientist who is making the analysis. The main objectives of this project is to diminish the risks of contamination by collecting live snails from a distance, with the coupling of a claw on the drone.
The first step was to design the claws on a 3D software called Fusion 360.
Before the printing process, some simulations were made to make sure that the lengths and sizes were right for the purpose of collecting the snails. After printing, the microcontroller and several mechanisms were configured to be connected through Bluetooth so that the scientists could control the claws on their Android smartphones. In order for the user to access the control of the claws via smartphones, it was necessary to create and configure an app for Android, which was the last step.